So we have seen a fantastic rally in the global stock markets, and most of them have now reached all-time highs. The runway train that we have seen in the United States has been rattling along so furiously for quite some time that investors are wondering whether they can even get off the train without breaking their limb. It's a very tricky situation as of now. We have reached the end of the quarter, the first quarter of calendar year 2024, and results for the first quarter are going to start coming in, making it a rather tricky quarter. As everybody tried to wind down for the long weekend, the Good Friday and the Easter Sunday, the S&P Index 500 index of the blue chip US stocks has wrapped up the first quarter of the year with a gain of 10% on top of the 11% it gained in the last quarter of 2023. A few important European indices such as the German DAX and the Italy's FTSE M1B can match or even beat that in local currency terms, and Japan goes in tremendous fast speed. So we're seeing everywhere the things have been really on the boil. Even the United Kingdom's FTSE 100 is edging on to its own record high with all the grace of Mr. Bean on ice skates and a Force 10 gale and carrying 2 balls of custard in the dark. In Asia, you have ex-Japan, you have the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, all these heading furiously higher. In India, you have the PSU stocks doing phenomenally well. The mid-cap and small-cap also indexes having done well, but for the third quarter of March 2024. The scale of the US accent and the sheer weight of the market capitalization behind it, Apple alone is almost twice the size of the German DAX. You should note that. Means that is the one that matters the most. It's an unstoppable rally that I can see. There are some economists who are even talking about the S&P 500 aiming towards 6,000 shortly. Okay, about some 14% above where it is right now. If the mega cap exceptionalism continues unabated, what I mean is that you have the famous, these 7 stocks which have done phenomenally well. The mega caps which have encouraged such a phenomenal rise on the back of the artificial intelligence boom in the United States. Money managers are there with a more downbeat view of the markets where they are heading. Those who believe in the camp or are in the camp which believe that this is turning out to be an overcrowded trade. And there are a few. Until now, till when can this rally go on? Till the last bear has crossed over to the bullish camp. Is that something that's visible on the horizon? Well, that's $1 million question, $1 billion question also, as I may say. But I feel that there is signs of fatigue that may start creeping in the market. Although the rally has become a little broad-based towards the latter part of March, yet I hasten to add that there are reasons to believe that one needs to have caution because it's getting to be a very overcrowded trade, the global stock market rally, and there are headwinds which are beginning to appear. So I'm maybe one of the bears who has not yet crossed over to the bullish camp. So should you wait till I cross over, or should you start taking safeguards that there is something which is lurking in the background that may engineer a correction in global stock markets, which are currently at all-time highs? Yes, that's a question which is uppermost in most investor minds, and I do understand that you need to be told in no uncertain terms where are we headed next week. Friends, to get to know more, please to join our Prime or Prime Plus groups, which are addressed specifically to the US markets. For the Indian markets, you can join the Nifty. We have so many groups. The Holy package is there just till tomorrow, and that gives you daily predictions, and also you can join the Premium Value, which gives you full 1 week predictions in advance. For both, you can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Alternatively, you can also email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. GLOBALMONEYINVESTOR@gmail.com. Happy investing and have a great investing week ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.